students, welcome to SmartKidz tutorials. In this video we'll be learning about multi-digit long division. We have in the previous videos learned about basic division and also about long division. In this video we'll be focusing on how do we use two-digit devices to divide more than three-digit numbers. So let's begin. I will begin first by taking an example straight away, since we know about long division. In this case, what we do is, since there are two digits in the divisor's place, we look to divide with two digits in the dividend place. Okay. Now the problem is, how do we divide, as we do not know 32 times table? The number here will always be big. Okay. Till 20 maybe you may know 20 times table, but beyond that you may not know. Then how, in that case, how do we know what times number will come in the quotient so that we can divide this particular number? So in that case, there is a trick that can help you. Okay. Here, take the first digit here, that is 3, and see what divides the first digit of the dividend. So if you look at 3, what I'm saying is, see how we can divide these two numbers, the first number in both the cases, because we want to divide 32 divided by 68 divided by 32. Okay, and so what I've done is, I've taken the first digit of 68 here, and I've taken the first digit of 32, that is 3. And if we know the 3 times table, we can easily say that 3 into 2 is 6. Okay. What comes here, remainder over here, we are not interested in that. We are only interested in what times table will help us to find the quotient here. So let us multiply 32 into 2 and see what we get. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 64. There's no need to look beyond this, because 64 is very close to 68. Okay, and since the divisor is too large a number, that is 32, that means 32 ones are will give you 32, and 32 3 will give you beyond 68 what we did. So this will definitely go. So 32 into 2 will give us 64, and now we subtract. So that will give us 68 minus 64 will give us 4. The 0 over here, and I'll bring this 1 down. The next division is easy, because 32 is very close to 41. Now the new dividend is 41. So 32 ones are 32. 41 minus 32 will give us 9. Okay, and I'll bring the 6 down. Now once again, we do not know what times table will help us divide this 96. So we'll take the first number once again, which is 3, and divide it by the first number of our new dividend, that is 9. And sorry, 9. And 3 3s are 9, you know, right? So once again, we'll see 32 into 3 gives us what? And 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So we get an exact match. So 32 into 3 gives us 96. And our remainder comes 0, and our quotient is 213. Okay, so remember, if we wish to divide two-digit divisors with our dividend, we always look to divide with two digits and not a single digit, as we were doing for our basic division and in the previous video for our long division as well. There, the digit in divisor's place was of units place. That is why we were looking to divide single digit numbers. Here there are two digits, hence we are looking to divide two digits at a time. But our problem is, how do we get our quotient? For that we use a method, or rather a trick, that can help us assume or arrive at the closest possible quotient or the answer. And we take the first digit of our two digit from the divisor and look to divide the first digit of our dividend this way, and whatever quotient we get, that quotient we need to multiply with this divisor of ours to get the closest possible number to our dividend. Okay, let's take another example. So 78 divided by 546. So once again, we look to divide 78 by 54. So, but the problem is 54 is a smaller number than 78, which means it is not divisible. But we can try to divide these three numbers at the same time. So for that, once again, we take the first digit in the tens place of the divisor, and this time, since we are looking to divide three digits at a time, we don't take a single, because it's very obvious 7 cannot be divided over here. 5 cannot be divided by 7, that would be 0. So we take two digits at a time, and the first two digits once again. Remember, we are looking to divide all three digits at a single time right now. So we take the first digit here and the first two digits of this three digit number. So that would be this way. And if we know 7 times table, that should give us 7 sevens are 49, the closest possible number. So once again, we look to multiply 78 with 7 and see what we get. 7 into 8 is 56. So I put a 5 on top of 7. 7 into 7 is 49 plus 5 gives us 554. And it gives us 546. An exact match. So 78 into 7 gives us 546. And our quotient is 7. So remember, if it is two digits that you're looking to divide, then we take only single digit. But in this case, we had to take three digits, and so we took the first two digits of the dividend. Okay, but not every time you will be able to get an accurate answer to this. Okay, sometimes you will not be able to get an accurate match. Like for example, we got 78 into 7, 546. Okay, and in this case, we got it very close to our dividend. Okay, that is 64. But not always will you get in that, but it will this technique will help you to get the answer very easily compared to trying the the table in question. Okay, here we have another example. We have to divide 7468905, a very long number, in our dividends place with 23 over here in the divisors place. So let us begin using the technique that we have just learned. Okay, so we take the first digit number here and we look to divide it with the first digit, that is 2 divided by 7. We get 2 3s are 6. Let us see if really 223 into 3 will give us a number close to 74. So 23 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. Yeah, it gives you a number closer. So we put a 3 over here. 23 into 3 gives us 69. 74 minus 69 will give us 5. Bring this 6 down. Okay, and it is obvious, we don't have to check one more time. We can easily take 23 into 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. So 23 into 2 will give us 46. 56 minus 46 will give us 10. We'll bring 8 down, and once again now we'll apply our technique to 10 divided by 2. So 2 will be in the divisor place always, and 10 will be our new dividend. 2 5s are 10. Okay, let us check what we get when we multiply 23 with 5. 5 3s are 15, carry 1, 5 2s are 10 plus 1, and that gives us 115. But 115 is greater than 108. Okay, and we don't need that. Our answer should not come negative. If we put this 115 here, we will get a negative answer, and we don't need that. So you see, not always will this technique give you an answer close to this, but it has helped us get to the answer as close as possible, because the thing is, 23 into 5 gives us 115. That means 23 into 4, a number less than 5, should give us a number less than 108, right? So let us check. 23 into 4. 4 3s are 12. I'll carry 1. 4 2s are 8 plus 1, 9. So 92. Put a 92 here. And if we subtract, 8 minus 2 is 6. Cancel this, put a 10 there. 10 minus 9 is 1, 16. Now we'll bring the 9 down. And I forgot to put a 4 here for our quotient, 169. So once again, to 16 divided by 2. 16 from here and 2 from here. 2 8s are 16. So let us check what is 23 into 8 giving us. 8 3s are 24. 8 2s are 16 plus 2 gives us 184, which is bigger than 169. So which means we'll have to take a number less than that. 23 into 7. That will give us 7 3s are 2, carry 1 down. 7 2s are 14 plus 2, 16. So that gives us 161. 23 into 7. 169 minus 161 will give us 8. The 0 here, and we bring this 0 down. Okay. Now if we have a look over here, we have already done the table. 23 into 3 gives us 69. So this is very close to 80. We'll take that. 80 minus 69 gives us 11. We bring this 5 down. Okay. And if you notice, we have already got the number here, 23 into 5. So 23 into 5 will give us 115. And we get our answers 324,735 after this very long division. So you see, it is not difficult to divide such numbers. You need not know the table, but we need to know the table from 2 to 9, and the videos you will be able to find in the playlist of maths basics and maths tricks, where you will be shown how to memorize 2 to 9 times table. Over here, I hope you have been able to follow what has been taught over here and find it easier to solve such multi-digit long division. So if you found this helpful, please hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed till now. Share it with your friends and ask them to subscribe to the channel as well. And keep watching for more such videos. Thank you.